Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to use the ChatGPT plugin inside Canva. Now for this one, I'm currently inside Canva, and what you can do right here is go to the applications right there, head over on the application store or application list, and in here, basically type in ChatGPT. In here, you're gonna see ChatGPT powered by DAL-E. Click on that one right there. You can use in an existing design, or I'm gonna use it on a new design. And basically for this one, I'm just gonna select whatever I have here. Let's go for Instagram post. That's just gonna be a resolution depending on the size. And basically for this one, wait for it to load up. So the ChatGPT plugin would be on the left side. So these are gonna be a sample, some prompts inside here. So I'm gonna type here a dog riding. I'm gonna just go for skateboard in a park. Simple as that. You can also have the surprise me option, but I'm going to click on generate right now. Take note guys, it only gives you 1 out of 25 or 25 per day credits. That's going to be refreshing every 24 hours. Now this will take just a few seconds to finish. Now, you can now create this and use ChatGPT and create so much artwork that you can use in Canva. So you can generate again, but if you want this, you can just take it from here and out and use it in your design. It's gonna be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.